There was a possible manipulation in HDFC Bank stock yesterday. I will tell you the logic. I will tell you the numbers. I will also relate this with open interest. Let me know what you think on the comment section below, and I'll also tell you how much they would have made. And it is a very staggering number in terms of if you see, we are just peanuts. Let me show you the HDFC Bank chart. So what we will do is, this is not HDFC, this is Nifty chart. So Nifty is not going to move anywhere. If you are trading today, I'm sure you must be aware premiums are very, very less, right? Now this is the HDFC Bank chart. Now what they have done is, there is a huge order block here at around 1 p.m. yesterday. So what happens is, HDFC Bank, after this order block has been placed, HDFC Bank comes from 1650 to around almost low of around 1620 rupees, right? Now, with that being said, now let us assume what would have happened or what would have they made, right? Now let us say, for example, you are having HDFC Bank, or you are trading HDFC Bank, you are seeing HDFC Bank coming from 1650 to around 1620. Now what you will think in terms of options? So HDFC Bank is coming down. There should be a short build up in futures, right? Because people will short the market looking at this. People will think HDFC Bank will go down. Maybe it will touch 1600, or let's say hypothetically 1550. But what happens in open interest is very, very interesting. Now I'll take you to the open interest chart and I'll show you the open interest chart. This is the open interest chart of HDFC Bank, and you can see here short covering is happening in HDFC Bank. So they have placed a short, they have sold in cash market, let us say 10 lakh quantities they have sold in HDFC Bank, and they are short cover, they are covering their shorts in the derivative market. So what would have happened is, if you know about HDFC Bank is a FII heavyweight. Institutions are having, I think, more than 52% holdings in HDFC Bank. Now before selling this 10 lakh orders at around 1650, they would have sold futures contract in derivatives, right? Now once this market has come down from HDFC has come down from 1650 to around 1620, they would have exited their futures. They would have bought back their futures, which they have sold at around 1650, right? 50 rupees. Now let us do a simple max. Now let us say your the FIAs have sold for around 1650 rupees. Okay, so HDFC one lot size is one contract lot size is 550, I believe. So let us say they have sold around 5000 contracts. From 1650, it is coming to around 1620. So how much profit? Maybe around 20, let's say 30 rupees profit. So if you do the math, so one lot they will make a profit of how much? Maybe around 16,500, or let's say 16,700 rupees. Okay, in one lot, I'm saying in one contract. So let's say they have sold 5,000 contracts. So one contract they have made a profit of around 16,500. So if you do the math for around 5,000 contracts, it works out to be around maybe 8.3 or 8.5 crore rupees. So whatever number I'm saying is not a correct number. I'm just doing a simple max. So if you want to do the calculation, you can do. So one contract they have made a profit of around tentatively 16,500. For 5,000 contract, they have made a profit of around 8.5 or 8.25 crore rupees just by selling HDFC Bank, bringing it down to around 1620, making imbalance, make people believe that you have to short the market. Everyone would have shorted the market, and in derivatives they are short covering, or they are covering their shorts or buying back their shorts. So this is how the manipulation is happening. This is how people, these FIIs or institutions are manipulating the market. So people don't understand. People talk about price action. That is why we show very, very importance to block order, what FIIs are doing. In fact, we told the different ways how these people are manipulating, pump and dump, back running, bear riding, spoofing. So all kind of manipulations are there, and we posted a dedicated video for this kind of manipulation. Right now we will go directly to Nifty, and we will see what might happen to Nifty. What is the same concept we will apply in Nifty, and let us see what is happening to Nifty. Now before that, let me tell you, even today morning, when you see the Nifty chart, we conducted a poll in our Telegram group, and we asked a simple question whether the market is going to go up, down, or it is going to be flat, and around 60 to 65% of the people told market will be flat, and most of them, around 60% of the people, were wrong. And if you see the markets, I'll go to the what is that, a Nifty chart, and you can see market is moving like hell. And if you are trading expiry, you will understand there is no premium at all. I am shooting this video at around 2:30 or 2:15. Literally there is no premium. At the money straddle is trading for maybe less than 30 rupees or 35 rupees. Now coming back to our point, now what happens, let us apply the same concept in our Nifty chart. Right now what happens is, once the market touch, what happens here, you are seeing market around 23,400. From 23,400 market, Nifty is coming to around almost 23,000. In fact, it has taken out to 23,000. Now what should have happened? There should be short build up in Nifty, right? But what happens in open interest is, if we see the open interest, let us go to open interest, there is a very, very good long build up, right? So this whatever data is resonating with what we told. See, market is coming up, there should be a short build up, but there is a long build up in Nifty, which means they would have sold some cash in cash market, and they are building in futures market, so that market can go up. If the market goes on the higher side, they will make some good profit. Now let us think this way. Now what will happen tomorrow? If I am right, maybe there will be some long unwinding, or something something like that, so that the market will come on the downside, is what I believe, right? So they are having, if you see this chart, they are having a huge short position, even though this is showing a long build up, and this is 22nd of January data. So for 23rd data, we will have to wait. Now if we see what is happening in terms of Nifty, you can see here there is a huge block order at around 23,300, and there is a huge block order at around 23,400. So we believe market may not go above 23,500 or 23,600. Now if there is if in terms of open interest, if you see in terms of open interest, if there is, let's say for example, long unwinding is happening in Nifty, maybe the market will be consolidating, or market might be coming on the downside. We really don't know that, but whatever happening, or whatever is happening in Nifty, or let's say for example Banknifty, is all manipulation. People talk more about price action. Whenever I say, they tell it is about price action, it is about that, it is about indicator. I can tell you it is not going to work. All whatever happening here is not visible to you. It will not be, you will not be able to see in with your naked eyes. You have to see it in a different mindset, so that you can understand. So let me know, I am telling it again, let me know what you think about this, what I have told about HDFC Bank, whether I am right or wrong, so that we will come to a conclusion. Anyway, I am replying all your replies. Not only that, even in Telegram group, we have a Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the Telegram group. And even in our Telegram group, we have a good forum where we discuss many things in terms of HDFC. And coming to expiry, I'll finish this here. Coming to expiry, if you see what has happened to expiry today, also there was manipulation. Now what they are doing, once long build-up is there, they have premiums are not there. That means they have sold huge quantity of call option and put option. I am shooting this video at around 2:15. Now even at around 3 p.m. or let's say till end of the day, market will not even move an inch, right? Because there is literally no premium at all. At the money straddles, if you see, go and see Nifty at the money straddles, it is trading for less than 30 rupees, 25 rupees or 30 rupees, which means they have sold heavy call options and put option, and they are trying to eat all the premiums in terms of Nifty expiry today. So I'm sure it will finish flat for even after 3 p.m. move. 3 p.m. I think it will move flat. If I'm right, it might not close above 23,300 max is what I believe. In fact, today's high was around 23,275. I don't think it will even close above 23,275. Maybe it will close below between 23,200 to around 23,275. So this is the market perspective. So we will see, we will wait and see what happens tomorrow, what might happen tomorrow. Probably if my calculation or if what we think is right, maybe they will short the market. They would have long unwinding would have happened in future, that we really don't know. Now we will have to wait and see till end of the day. Then if there is a long unwinding, so you have to understand, today they have made a long build up. Tomorrow long unwinding should happen. If long unwinding is happening, then you can resonate this with a block order which is at around 23,400. So you get the point, no? So 23,400, they have written huge block order, sell order. They are having at 23,400, 23,500, they are having a huge block order. Now if there is a long unwinding at around this in futures, then you have to understand, maybe the market will come on the downside, and there is every possibility that the market will come on the downside, right? So this is how you have to intercept, or this is how you will have to see what these buggers are doing, how they are manipulating the market, or how they are trying to make retailers fool. So I think you have got whatever I'm trying to say. If you are not understanding, let me know. I will try to mention this even more clearly, so that we will have a good idea of what these FIIs are doing, or what these FIIs might do, and this possibly will lead us to make some profit, is the idea or is the objective of whatever we are doing here, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. I will end this video, and one more, last but not the least, I will tell one more thing. We have a membership program where we have a knowledge base of around 65 plus option strategies, for which the link is on the description below. So what this knowledge base is having is, it is having around 65 option strategies, from non-directional strategies to neutral strategies to volatile strategies, you name it, everything is in our knowledge base. And of course it is not free. You will have to pay around 200 rupees for lifetime access. You just have to pay one time, and it is free of cost for lifetime, because why we are charging is, it is not for monetary benefit, but we have to pay, AWS, Amazon Web Service, we have to pay for content delivery network. So there are lots of charges when it comes to running a website. So we are having some overheads. So we are that overheads we are sharing with you, nothing much on monetary side. So if you want, if you are interested, plus we are having a community also, if you want, if you are interested, you can log into our knowledge base and explore the strategies or whatsoever. In that one we have on demand videos as well. So we are, it is in beta version, we are building lots of things has to be put inside, so we are building it slowly and steadily, so it is going to take time. So if you want, if you are interested, you can join. I will link is on the description below. I'll end this video here. I've talked more than 15 minutes. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.